This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Teresa Ashbury. Welcome to this beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom brick rancher featuring stunning water views, an open floor plan, and spacious living areas. Enjoy the charm of a screened-in porch. You will enjoy the relaxation and entertaining. Key features include a Rinnai tankless water heater, a new roof, 2018, and a remodeled screened-in porch. The well and septic system were successfully replaced in 2016. In 2023, the interior and exterior were freshly painted, the guest bath was completely renovated, and new flooring was installed throughout. The crawl space has been encapsulated and equipped with a dehumidifier. The luxurious carriage house, ideal for rental income, was completed in 2024 with a new HVAC system, updated plumbing, electrical systems, and stunning quartz countertops. Offering 925 square feet.